Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys two mini handbags that I purchased from Coach. And when I tell you they are perfect, they're perfect. I probably say this like every video, and it's just because I love handbags that much. But let's just go ahead and get into the video so I can show you these bags. So the first bag is this mini sequined Studio Baguette. I believe it's the 12 size. So it's just like the pink Studio Baguette that I unboxed in the last video, but it just comes in a mini version. And as you can see, I have some of these already in my collection, but when I saw it in the sequins, I was like, mini bags, I had to have it. We all know the story. So here she is. She is sequenced out and she's in the mini version. It comes with the little hang tag here. And if you push the C clasp, it opens up. And there's one big compartment on the inside. There's also a little slip pocket in the back where you can put your cards at if you want to. I would only put one so that you don't stretch it out. But if you don't care about things like that, you can probably add maybe 2 cards back there. But again, if you don't want to stretch it, just add one. Also in the front of the bag, it comes with another pocket here, a little slip pocket here. And then there's also a pocket in the back of the bag. Again, as you see, it's in silver hardware and it comes with a silver chain. So this is the sequenced in the, I think it's the pink magenta. I think that's the color. So here is this one. And as you see, like, I don't know if you could tell, but it's the sequence. Like, it's everywhere. On the sides, on the back, on the bottom. Like, this little bag is perfect. And what I like about this one is, like, you can take the chain strap off if you wanted to, and you can add your own chain. So I like that aspect of it. You could probably even make this like a little mini like belt bag if your chain was shorter to like wrap around your waist. That would be cute as a little belt bag with this material. So yeah. As you know, I had to get it in the black one, and this black sequence against this silver is stunning. It's to die for. So again, it's the same compartments as the one I just showed you. But for this one, I like that it's the black on the inside. Like, that is just perfect. I like that, how it's the black suede on the inside. Key tag again. So yeah, here is the black one. So I have 3 more mini bags, and they're in the Tabby family, and they're the Tabby size 12. And the first one is this black Tabby 12. So it looks just like the regular size, the 26, or if you get like the 18 or the Tabby clutch, the Tabby chain, it looks exactly like that, just in a mini version. And with this one, it comes with the little top handle that you can carry, like if you just want to carry it in your hand. You can also like put it on your wrist to carry it kind of like a wristlet. It does come with another longer strap so you can wear it crossbody. It is adjustable. It is adjustable. And then you can also take this chain off here if you wanted to and just carry the short chain, or you can just carry the long chain. You can also like interchange the straps if you wanted to something that, you know, if whatever chain you like. But when you open this up, it's just a button closure, so you just pop it open. And on the inside, it literally looks just like the Tabby, yeah. So when you open it up, here's what it looks like on the inside. You have a compartment in the back here. You have a middle zip part. Also have a compartment in the front here. And you also have a slip pocket in the front, and then you have a pocket right here. I don't understand why you have a pocket here, but hey, I guess they wanted it to be like a, you know, a mini version of the Tabby bag. On the back, you also have a pocket. So this is the Tabby 12 in the black with the silver hardware. So I'll just do a close-up so you guys can see. And like I said, it looks just like the bigger sized version. So moving right along, I saw it in this metallic baby. So as you know, I have the bigger size of the metallic Tabby. So when I saw it in the mini version, I was like, I gotta have it. So again, it's just like the one I just showed you, but it's just in this metallic. With this metallic, you gotta be careful. You can't leave it out in the sun. It's prone to like creasing more because it's that metallic leather material. So as you know, you're opening it, it's going to create those wrinkles on the side. So maybe you can use this as a special occasion if you worry about like the wear and tear on your bags. Me, I'm not so concerned about wear and tear. It's a bag, I'm gonna carry it. But again, it's the metallic and the silver hardware, and it's just like the previous one with the straps and how it looks on the inside. Last bag that I added to my mini bag collection is this Tabby and Shearling. Like, I went into the Coach store just to speak to like the sales associates because I haven't really been in there in a while, and this was put out. And like I said, my location, they put stuff out before, maybe like a day or two before it even hits the website. So I'm like, let me just pop in because there might be something new. And look, there was something new. And so this is the Tabby 12, like the pillow kind of Tabby, but it's in a shearling material. Again, it has the two straps. And I like that this strap is in the shearling as well. I'm glad they didn't just leave it in leather. I'm glad they added that shearling touch to it. So again, you can take it off, just wear it crossbody. But I like the look of having both of the straps on the bag. Even though it's small, I still like having both of those. So I'm gonna pop this back on. So with the key tag here, this key tag is that puffy because it's like the pillow Tabby. So this is like that puffy material. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker than like the regular key tags. And when you open it up, it's the button closure. So you open it up and it's just one big compartment on the inside. And I like that because I feel like you can kind of play with how you want to put things in here. It's like not with like the Tabby 12 and the regular because it has those 3 compartments. So you're restricted to putting stuff in the back, putting stuff in the middle, and then putting whatever you might can fit in the center part. So I do like that they kept this open. And then it has a slip pocket in the back. But I do really enjoy this bag. It only came in this color right here. And I think this color is like latte, or I'm not sure. When I find out, I'll pop it on a screen. But here she is. This longer strap is in the leather and it is adjustable, and as you saw, it's detachable. I kind of wish that they did this strap also in the shearling, but maybe that would have been too much. It would be like overpowering the bag if this was in shearling as well. But I do really, really like this bag. Like this is really cute. Like this is a cute like winter bag if you're not going anywhere. I wish they come out with it in black. That'll be perfect, like a black little mini shearling bag, or maybe in like another fun little color, maybe like pink or something. But or olive green, that would be really pretty in like this shearling little mini bag. So here is the last mini bag that I added to my collection. So here are all the mini bags that I have added to my collection. If you kind of want to see like kind of like what fits in my bag, I can do that for you. But for the most part, when I pack my mini bags, the only thing I really put in them is a chapstick, my ID cards, my debit cards, credit cards, and some cash. Depending on if I'm driving, I might just take the key fob because that's all I really need is just the key fob and not like all the keychains. I might do that and put it in there, but for the most part, I just put my keys in like my jacket pocket so it's more easily accessible. A lot of people ask me, why do you buy mini bags when you can't fit your phone in it? I didn't buy the purse for the phone, so there's that. I usually have my phone in my hands or like in my back pocket or in my jacket, so there's that, because usually I'm either on my phone browsing or talking on the phone. So like I said, I like to have like my phone and keys accessible and not in my bag. So that's why I buy mini bags, because those two things aren't really going in my bag. So yeah. So again, here are the bags. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm sorry that it took so long to get out. I really wanted to record this very much sooner than what I did. But I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.